So what have I done? Okay, this is the radio I just fixed up, and I was curious if we can actually get it to do something better than radio. I found this old Raspberry Pi somehow. This is first gen, isn't it? Model B. Missing a whole bunch of GPIO pins. I think this might have been one that I used a long time ago for emulation. A long time ago. Anyway, it's still here and it still works apparently. We've got pirate radio something in there. It pipes out on GPIO 4, and you literally just put the MP3 in the root of one of the partitions and choose your frequency. My frequency, I picked 94.5 because I was just rocking out to some of that music. And it actually worked, which I can't believe. But there you go. And whatever this is, it's running alarm pi login. I have no idea what the login would be, and I don't need to know. That's the beauty of it. We can just listen to Bit Shift by Kevin MacLeod. It's a pretty good song. There's all the old capacitors. Thanks for watching.